Howdy folks, welcome to Coffee and Tools. I'm looking at the Craig pocket joiner kit, or part of it today, and got a kit coming in pretty soon we're going to take a look at in the next week or so. I'm kind of excited about it, so I'm doing some thinking ahead of time, yes, before you and I get into it. But got a laser giveaway today, finally, yay, the big, huge Enjoy wood. How about we have a coffee, hang around the garage, and I'll update you on all the crazy stuff going on that's the next coming few weeks, huh? So we're back. Yeah, I got a lot of new tools coming in, woodworking tools, that sort of thing, and we have one laser left, so we'll be doing that. It has some very specific, interesting features, so it'll actually be an interesting machine to take a look at, and price, same thing. Also have I have a 3D printer in here right now that's really cool, but I can't show it to you until sometime in November. They haven't given me a release date. It's a prototype or it's a new upgraded version of an older one, so that ought to be pretty interesting. It's going to have some really interesting specifications to it. In the meantime, we have a draw. We have a couple draws actually, because we're going to draw for the Enjoy wood laser. Now, what's an Enjoy wood laser look like? So there's the original box, and there's the laser. I'm going to try to get it back in the original box, packed up the best I can. Might be a few extra of those air pillows or something in there to hold it together. And we'll ship this out to whoever the winner is today. And this is really a nice machine. It's a 10 watt and runs good off of light burn, or there's some free software there you can use for doing laser work for engraving and cutting, you know, sort of thing. So it is a nice machine. The only reason I need it out of here is because I have about 9 more behind it. It's like, you know, we're trying to, you know, thin the herd a little. And also, after we do the draw for this thing, then we need to set up, because we're going to give something else away. Yeah, so stay tuned. Boom! Okay, we're back for the draw. I've got the good old Lowe's empty bucket, and I got a lot of tickets. there was hundreds this time for this thing, so that's cool. You know, like, I think a lot of people put their name in just because, you know, if they win it, hey, cool, you know, and it is cool because I've got more stuff coming up, but yeah, oops, get you down there. Some of these tickets are really weird. They stick to the sides of the barrel, and some of them don't. I don't know. The lucky winner, let's say, we'll try to get this boxed up over the weekend, and by Monday we'll have it shipping to whoever comes up out of this bucket today. A lot of entries this time around from Texas, which was like, wow, yay, Texas. Yeah. Also a lot from Canada and a lot of other countries involved. Not so much in the US for some reason. Yeah, state to state's different, but really surprised at some of the ones we saw in there. And I'm really hoping somebody that's watching the show, that maybe a subscriber that's watched the show for a little bit, maybe somebody that's been on us for a while, gets themselves this laser today. And then this afternoon, as soon as we get this finished, we'll start the draw for a new item. And you'll see, if this is your first time, you'll see how to get into these draws to win the tools that we do the reviews on. And I got a name here, and it is, oh man, Mike in West Milwaukee. Are you kidding me, Mike? Wow, wow, I think Mike got something from us before, but I could be wrong. But old Mike there in West Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where else would that be? Yeah, right in the middle of the countryside there. Yeah. The state of beef and cheese, or whatever there. Yeah, or steak and cheese. Oh yeah. That's Mike, you got yourself a 10 watt Enjoy wood laser, and lucky Mike. Oh yeah. Fantastic. That's going to be that'll be a hot item for you, and I want you to be safe with it. And I'll even throw in a pair of my famous we'll throw in a pair of these famous glasses for you, so make sure that you can protect your eyes when you're running that thing, and don't let anybody else in the room. Lock it down. Oh wow. Okay, that ends that. So let's move on to as soon as I can get this out of the way, we are going to go to what we're going to do for the next item. Yes. And I'll explain to you how to get in case you're a new guy, we'll explain how to get into these draws. Yes. I want to thank everyone that put their name in for the laser, because it is a nice show of support when you see hundreds of names like that for the laser. And if you didn't win it, which there was quite a few of us, I guess, that didn't win it, we should have another draw and see if you can get you a laser. Yes. So, what are we going to draw for? There it is right there. At least there's the box. I've taken it apart, put it in the box so we can send it to a viewer. So how do we get it on this one? We're going to do the same thing we always do. If you're new to the channel, this will be really easy. I'm going to just set this box off to one side. I have no room in here right now. So as I said, if you're new to the channel, I'm going to stand over here. And you'll email to CTrewards@gmx.com. It'll be right over there. Yep, just like that. Send that email, and then in the title or subject line of your email, write the word laser, like that. And then in the body of the letter, just your name and your address, nothing else. One entry per household. We saw a lot of multiple entries per households in this last one, which was like, we deleted those and then just reduced everything to single parties from the same addresses, so that there was just one item, per household ticket made up, so that we could draw this today. And hopefully, if your name isn't Mike this time around, somebody else is going to get another laser. This one will be the Ortur Laser, which is, like I say, a real nice machine. And what we'll do, let's see, I'll pull the tickets on that. This is Thursday. We're going to wait to, let's see, we'll pull the ticket on November the 24th, which will be Thanksgiving Day. I'll try to, we'll either pre-record the film, or we'll have to do it Friday or something. I don't know, because it is Thanksgiving Day. It does cause a bit of a conundrum. But we'll get the film out to you on the Thanksgiving Day, and you can see if you won yourself a laser. Yeah. And the reason why I'm spacing these out like this is it gives me time to review wood tools and some of the other stuff that's been coming through, because we have a lot of goodies coming in that I'm kind of excited to see, but we need time to review those things and cover them with you guys. And also, I want to give stuff away, of course, at the same time. So we may have a giveaway between then and now, actually. As early as next week, I might have something else, but if we do it, it'll be just the very next Thursday. We'll just give something away to a viewer. But in the meantime, that's how to do it. Just send an email, CTrewards@gmx.com, and get your laser in the subject line, your name and address, and you'll be good to go. And that's all you got to do. And then when we pull the tickets, hopefully maybe it'll be yours that we pull next time. In the meantime, again, I thank everyone for entering, because it's just awesome support. But also, we delete all the email, all the database out of that thing. We go into the deleted files and delete those. We also clean the printer records of anything that was made up, such as the tickets. So there's like no, hopefully there's no way of ever tracking any of this, okay? So we don't pass any of that information on. As I had said before, we had a company a while back that wanted to directly drop ship to the winner of our giveaways, and I thought it was a terrific idea. And then whoa, wait a minute. That means we'd be giving your information to a third-party company. No. We're not going there. We're not doing that. I want to keep this as, the privacy is yours, and let's keep it that way, right? Exactly, Wow, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Let's talk about links. I will provide in the description below, I'll provide a link for that email where you can do your contest entry. Okay. I'll also provide a link, like I said, for the Enjoy Wood machine. We'll also have a business e-link to contact us for business purposes and reasons. I'll also have a link that will be down there for our store, where we offer t-shirts and some really cool coffee mugs. This baby's here every day with me. And again, I want to thank everybody for entering, and good luck. Now, next week, we got new wood tools showing up. Yes, and some pretty innovative stuff. That's new wood tools that are new. Yeah, new games, for tooling. which should be interesting. And in the meantime, man, this is Coffee and Tools, and I think we're over and out. And congratulations, Mike, in West Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Wow. Over and out.